Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. I'm your host, Hashmi. Do you feel nervous when you try to speak English? Do you find yourself translating every sentence in your head before you speak? If the answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Today, I'm going to share 4 powerful daily habits and 3 lifestyle tips specifically designed for beginners. These habits will help you stop overthinking, build your confidence, and finally start speaking English naturally. Our first habit is a game changer. It's called shadowing. Think of it like a voice mirror. Shadowing means listening to a native English speaker and repeating exactly what they say at the exact same time. You aren't just repeating after them, you are talking with them. Why does this work? It trains your brain to catch the rhythm, the speed, and the melody of the language. Just find a 1-minute clip, listen closely, and copy the speaker's tone. Try this for just 10 minutes a day, and you'll be amazed at the results. Next is daily listening. You need to surround yourself with English. Even if you don't understand every single word, keep English audio playing in the background while you cook, clean, or travel. Whether it's a podcast, a news report, or music, just let it play. The goal here isn't 100% comprehension, it's about training your ears to become comfortable with the sounds of English. The more you hear it, the more natural it becomes. Habit number 3, stop translating, start thinking. The biggest mistake students make is thinking in their native language and then trying to translate it into English. This makes you slow and hesitant. Instead, start labeling your world. When you wake up, think, I am waking up. When you look outside, think, it is a sunny day. Start with very short 3-word sentences. This builds a direct connection between your thoughts and your words. Finally, habit number 4, read aloud. Don't just read with your eyes, use your voice. Pick a simple story or an article and read it out loud with energy. This is a physical workout for your mouth muscles. It helps you get used to the feeling of English words, which makes speaking much easier during a real conversation. To truly master English, you must make it part of your life. Here are 3 quick tips. 1. Change your phone settings to English. Since you already know where the buttons are, you'll learn new words effortlessly. 2. Keep a 3-sentence diary. Every night, write 3 simple sentences about your day. 3. Record yourself. Use your phone to record a 1-minute voice memo of you talking. Listening back is the best way to track your progress. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect, it's about being understood. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward success. Try these habits for just 1 week and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor. Tell me in the comments, which of these 4 habits are you going to start today? I'm Hashmi, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and stay confident.